Hello everybody. Many people often ask me how to make aloo mutter gravy. So if you're a bachelor and you just like to make it, so I would just say that chop some tomatoes, boil the potato and mutter, it's called the green peas, and then you know take two bowls of water, how much of a water you need, it doesn't really matter how much water you require. Then add a ginger garlic paste and put some salt in it, and that's it. If you require to add any more masalas, you can add the masalas. Just put the potatoes, put the green peas, mutter, and put the tomatoes, and then just boil it for almost around half an hour to 45 minutes, and you'll have some tasty food coming up your way. If you need some seasonings also, you can add some seasonings, like I'm going to add some pasta seasonings. So that's something that you can do to add some flavor to it. You get some nice, it's a good shake, huh? Good day. So that's all that is. Don't need to beat around the bush. Very very simple. Don't waste your time in learning how to cook. Just quick. It's so fantastic and yummy, and I'm going to taste this. Have a great day and have a wonderful aloo mutter gravy. Great day.